back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing a new product. Usually I unbox things like hauls of other goods from other shops, especially planner shops, but today is going to be an unboxing of my own product from my manufacturer. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I am filled with different emotions, and the background seems different. I'm not in office today. This is actually my old bedroom. I'm visiting my mom, so let's get to unboxing. I'm curious what's in here. Okay, so let me move this back, or else you're just gonna see this much of me and it'll be kind of weird. All right, can y'all see me? Hey y'all, I don't have a chair. When I moved out, I brought my chair, so this is how big it is. This is, it has some weight to it for sure. So this is how big it is. Okay. I mean, it's hard for you guys to gauge how heavy it is, but just how I'm moving it. Let me shake it for you. Okay, doesn't seem to budge much. Okay, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to feel. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's get to it. No, seriously guys, like there's tape all over here, all over here. They really wanted to make sure this box makes it intact and in one piece, and it did. Okay, I cut through something. Okay, I think it's just more packaging, like filler, so I don't think it's an issue to cut through that. No way. Oh, what's this? Stickers? I'm curious. I'm like, I don't remember ordering this. I guess this is like a cute little freebie they added on. I don't know where to start. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'll show you in a minute. I cannot believe it. This is so beautiful. Oh, and more cards. Did I? Okay, sure. Oh, I have to open the bag now. Oh my god. I'll get to you in just a moment. I'm gonna try to open both bags. Oh my gosh. Guys. I had to take a moment to assimilate what's going on right now. My brain is just like excited and emotional at the same time. I'm like trying to hold it in not to cry, but I kind of want to. It's like, it's more overwhelming of excitement, really, for sure. Because to see this in person, I did that. I created this. I mean, I designed it and stuff. I did not become like a metalwork person and like put it all together. But oh my gosh, guys. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Okay, I didn't mean to really like quote the song. It's so cute. Blossom. It's actually my mascot, my logo, technically, like one of my, like the iconic pose. And ow. I'm too excited. I'm fumbling. Guys. Hold it in, hold it in. And then should I show you the other one? Oh my gosh. This one is actually the reason why I wanted to do this, guys. My favorite design is now a pin. Of all the designs I did in the shop, and trust me, I love them all, but you know, when you have a favorite, I just want to do more with it, and this is exactly what it is. Even the detail, like you could read what it says. It says welcome to the dark side, and it says that perfectly well. Like it's legible. I mean, that was my biggest fear because I figured it might be too small to read it, but they did such a good job. Okay. I'm excited, like, guys. And it's like it comes full circle because I first drew this one over here. Blushing Boba Studio started here in this bedroom. This is where it all started. The day I'm filming this, it hasn't been a year yet, but by the time this video gets out to you guys, it's probably already past my year mark of Blushing Boba Studio. This is just a true testament of hard work and dedication, especially when you really truly believe in the stuff that you make. And even though this design is one of the earliest designs, you know, it's not about having to push product out there and hope to make money. It's about finding what's best in your shop, what you love, and you know, what you truly believe in. And the thing is, this design is not one of my best sellers, let's be real. It's especially when like I have other designs and where my niche is, it's like not everyone is a huge Star Wars fan, you know, but it's my favorite and I want to do this, and I can't believe this is legit. Now I can actually put it on my bags when I go to Disney. And then this, oh my gosh, guys, Blossom is a pin. And I collect pins, and I feel like you don't even need to be a pin collector, but it's so cute and fun to have some flair. Okay, I need to calm down, calm my excitement. Oh, I'm off the frame, whoops. Now I'm too low. Oh my gosh, I can't get this right at all, but guys. Okay, so final thoughts. Just at first glance, I know I have to go through all of them because I have to make sure that there are some that are sellable, because you can't expect every single piece made to be up to par. They use machines, so sometimes machines might have little flukes here and there, little flaws. So I'm going to have to separate what they call like first and seconds. So the firsts are the ones that you put in the shop mainly for sale, and then I'm gonna see with the seconds what I want to do with them. I could use them in a giveaway, or I can sell them at a cheaper price. Any of those that do have flaws, I could probably put them discounted because I don't want to sell them full price. At least for me, like when I see a pin with like the tiniest little speck, I'm like, that won't bother me, you know? So to you guys, it might also work out, and if you want to see full price too, that's totally fine. Oh my gosh, I can't stop staring at my own pins. Just with the backing card, like I designed it on a whim too, because it wasn't in the negotiation at all. And they're like, oh, well, we also do backing cards. I'm like, oh, really? So I'm excited. And then they packaged it for me. Like, I didn't expect that. I honestly thought I would have done all of that myself. I even bought like a little like pin thing to like remove the backing if I got them as is, and I would have done the whole backing card system myself. But I guess I don't have to worry about that. So it's perfect. Okay, so remember earlier I pulled out a pack of stickers? I'm actually really curious what's in there. I did not order that. So I guess they do stickers as well. Does anyone know who this is? I'm not well versed with pop culture. I'm usually like the last person to know what's going on. So they gave me like 4 of these. I don't know. It says King something. If anyone knows who this is, let me know. Fill me in. So I guess these are other shops that have contributed their designs, and they probably have made extras, so they're just giving them out, which is actually an awesome idea, because if they have extras, let's say I submitted a design and they had extras and they put it in packs like this, someone who orders, it's probably like, ooh, Blushing Boba Studio, I should check out that shop. Because I'm kind of curious now. I don't know any of these references at all. But the color schemes are all the same, so I want to say this is probably a soccer team. Watch it not be soccer. Done for this guy. Who is this? I'm really guessing this is a soccer team. They're all wearing like uniform, all sponsored by Adidas, all in the same colors. They're probably from Lisbon, so it could be a sports team, but that's cool if anyone's interested. I I don't really watch sports, play sports or anything. Like, I'll play for fun. I'm active, but I'm not that active. So if anybody is interested in these stickers, let me know too. So yeah, that's my unboxing video and my genuine reaction. I think my mind is just so speechless. As you saw that I was yelling like silently, like I wasn't as loud as I usually am. Well, for the most part, because I'm also here at my mom's place, and for some reason I felt like I always had to be like really like quiet and more reserved, just because my mom works from home, so she'd be like busy doing her own thing, so I couldn't even be loud. Whereas me being super like extra in my office, it's just nice to be here though, and to open this box up. Because like I said, I started here. This is where the magic started, and it's reminiscent. This is the desk that I did my work. This shelf housed my printer and my cutting machine until I put it on wheels a little later, because I needed more space and had to move my work to my dining room, and I couldn't leave it there because my mom doesn't want me to leave a mess behind. So that's why everything, if you saw one of my old videos, I set up a work on wheels kind of thing on a utility cart. I put everything on a utility cart so I could move my work, and then when I'm done, bring it back here in my room, which was kind of a pain. But it was worth it because it was a very humble beginning, and now I have my own office. But yeah, it's come full circle. So thank you for watching, and I guess if there's anything of my designs that you would love to see as a pin, let me know. I could try to make that happen. Thank you for supporting me all this time. I continue to grow, and thank you for believing in my art and my brand. Oh my gosh. Try not to get emotional, but thank you so much. Like, Blushing Boba Studio means the world to me, just because I've always been a creative spirit. I just always wanted to, you know, start a career with my creative aspects. So I love that I could balance both passions of, you know, nursing and being a creator. I know at one point later down the road, I'm gonna have to choose one. Eventually, I'll only have time for one. And being a creative all my life, I'm sure I'm gonna go down the creative path. It's still a long time coming. Your girl gotta pay the bills, so let's be real. But you guys are part of this journey, and you get to see the growth, and I'm sure if you have been here since the beginning, you have seen so much happening, and I'm excited that you're part of it. Okay, I mean, we got pins now. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Okay, thank you.